Hey Chargent users, perhaps you're new to Chargent and you just want to know how to take instant payment using the Chargent Anywhere payment console. So keep in mind we do have a couple of different payment consoles. It's possible you're not using our latest and greatest, our newest one, which is what we're showing in this video. And if that's not the case, talk to your Salesforce admin about getting upgraded to the latest and greatest. But here we go. In order to take a payment on Chargent orders with the new Chargent Anywhere payment console, we're just going to click New, and we can just click Save on this. We don't really have to do anything on that Chargent order. We can leave it blank. Okay, so I'm on Chargent order, and this is the Chargent Anywhere Lightning component that we've got up at the top of the page. I'm just going to click the payment console button that is on the page, and today we're going to take a payment for the customer McJagger, and today he lives in this town called London, California. And I'm gonna send the receipt to my own email address. So a couple of things. In this case, my CSC code field, or CVC as it says on the screen, is green. That means we don't actually have to worry about putting that in. You can, but you don't have to. And the blue means it is not yet complete, and green means that it is good to go. If I put in a bad number, the system attempts to detect that, and here you can see that it's turned red. So I got it right this time. I put an expiry that's in the future, and also if I get an expiry that's in the past, it's going to turn red on me, as we see here with this 12/18 example. Okay, so I'm gonna do 12/21. I don't have to put in a CVC, but I'm gonna go ahead and do one anyways. I need to put in an amount because I didn't define it on the Chargent order. I'm gonna do $100 today, and I have two options. We're doing an instant charge today, so I'm just gonna click charge, and there you have it. This shows me it's approved. You can see the Chargent Anywhere Lightning component has populated with the relevant data, and here's the receipt that came out. Keep in mind, your admin can change this receipt to look like whatever you want it to look like. All right, so there we have it. We just took a payment from Chargent order with the new Chargent Anywhere Lightning interface. Again, we do hope you're using Chargent Anywhere. It's the latest and greatest UI that we have put together, and we're quite proud of it. So we hope you're using it and taking advantage of it. If you don't have Chargent Anywhere in your system, please talk to your Chargent admin about getting it added. And if you've got any other questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can get in touch with us by calling our help desk or by shooting us an email at support@AppFrontier. Or just head over to our website, appfrontier.com, and click on the support. We'd love to hear from you and get those questions answered for you. So thanks, and remember, we're always here to help. Hey, thank you for watching our video. And while you're here, please subscribe to our channel. Click that notification bell for immediate updates. And if you'd like to talk payments, please get in touch. We're always here to help.